Bollywood's weight loss secret is taking the internet by storm. But what if I told you I have been using these anti-inflammatory drinks for years with life-changing results? It's not just a trend. It's a game changer for me, my family, and my clients. Ready to discover the recipes everyone is raving about? Hi everyone, welcome to Tiashat, California and prioritizing your health. A huge shout out to our growing family of 1,000 health enthusiasts. Cheers to that and thank you for that. Now let's dive into the recipes. First up is our refreshing blueberry iced tea, perfect cooler for a sunny afternoon. Blueberries are often called a superfood. Green tea contains catechin as an antioxidant that helps to prevent diabetes and fight with inflammation. For this recipe, we need to prepare the green tea first. For that, I am adding a green tea pouch inside a jar. Then pouring the hot water into it so that it can brew nicely. Remember to add hot water, not the boiling water. Now let's bring this refreshing anti-inflammatory drink to life. Blueberries contain anthocyanin. Now research has shown it has beneficial effects on glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Next, adding a small piece of fresh ginger. Adding some mint leaves for the refreshing flavor. Now it's time to pour the cooled green tea into the blender jar. Let's squeeze some lime juice into it. Now blending it all together until smooth. It's ready in no time. It's time to garnish it beautifully. First, adding a few fresh mint leaves to the bottom of the glass. Next, drizzling a little raw local organic honey. It's a natural sweetener and packed with antioxidants. Mixing it gently, pressing the mint leaves into the honey, releasing their refreshing juices and infusing the base with flavor. Next, you can add some ice cubes according to your preference. And then pour in your gorgeous, vibrant drink. This drink combines the power of superfood blueberries, rich in antioxidants to combat free radicals and support brain health, and green tea, known for its metabolism boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they work wonders for your body, helping you feel energized, refreshed, and healthy. Cheers to good health. Enjoy this wellness-packed treat and don't forget to comment me how you like it. Next is our ultimate green smoothie. Today we are making the ultimate green smoothie to supercharge your mornings. Ingredients are very simple. We need pineapple, celery, avocado, anti-inflammatory spices, a banana for that sweet taste, and choice of your greens, which is locally available, but make sure to take organic or homegrown. We also need some ginger and lime juice. To make this amazing health-boosting green smoothie, let's start with the greens. I am using organic mixed greens. It contains spinach, kale, and arugula. I am also using mint leaves. These greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, K, iron, and antioxidants that support immune health, promote glowing skin, and improve digestion. Next, adding a few stalks of celery, which is not just hydrating but also rich in fiber. Now let's sweeten things up. Add chopped pineapple. Fresh or frozen works perfectly. Pineapple is packed with bromelain, a powerful enzyme that helps reduce inflammation, improve gut health, and boost immunity with its high vitamin C content. Next, add chopped bananas for that creaminess and sweetness. Bananas are natural source of potassium. Add water according to your desired consistency. Now let's supercharge this smoothie with some chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein. Next, adding pinch of turmeric, nature's ultimate anti-inflammatory spice. To maximize turmeric's benefit, we will add a dash of pepper powder. Research has shown avocados paired with leafy greens can help in absorption of plant nutrients and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K almost about 400%. Finally, squeeze in some lime juice for the extra dose of vitamin C. It's time to blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. And there you have it. Your super nutritious, flavor-packed green smoothie is ready to enjoy. This quick and healthy breakfast option is perfect for busy mornings. It's satisfying, keeps you full till lunch, and is loaded with health benefits. Enjoy! Cheers for good health! Up next is our vibrant anti-inflammatory red smoothie. This smoothie is your ultimate morning glow booster. For this recipe, you will need beetroot, carrots, apple, freshly squeezed orange juice, small piece of ginger, and anti-inflammatory spices. To start this recipe, first we will squeeze some orange to extract the fresh juice from it, which is loaded with vitamin C, and then it goes inside the blender. The dark red color of the beet is because of the compound it has called betalain. Betalins are rich in antioxidants, reduce LDL cholesterol level, has anti-inflammatory properties, also can help in reduce cancer risk. When we cook them for long time, it starts to lose its benefits. Adding them in the blender. Next goes chopped carrots. Carotenoids in carrots help to improve our skin health. It is also rich in vitamin C and A. Next anti-inflammatory agent is ginger, which help in pain reduction and also aid in digestion. Next, add apples. We have all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctors away, and it is true. Add the super anti-inflammatory spices, turmeric and pepper. Now pour in some water and blend it all together. This smoothie is also a fantastic liver detoxifier. Ingredients like beetroot and ginger help support the liver's natural detox process, flushing out toxins and promoting overall health. Your thick, vibrant red smoothie is ready. I personally enjoy it as is, but if you prefer a smooth texture, feel free to strain it before drinking. Cheers to a healthier you. Now let's prepare the most popular anti-inflammatory and immune boosting tea, which is my personal favorite too. It's packed with nature's favorite anti-inflammatory agents like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, and cloves. Here, I prefer to use my mortar and pestle to crush the ginger and the spices. It helps to release their essential oils and flavors. Each of these spices have incredible benefits. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin in turmeric helps to fight inflammation and keep blood sugar levels steady. Adding black pepper with turmeric enhances the curcumin absorption. Cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant and helps to regulate the blood sugar. Cardamoms and cloves have antibacterial properties and keep blood sugar under control. Next, I boil 3 cups of water. Add the crushed ginger and spices. Once it starts bubbling, cover and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes or until it reduces to 2 cups. My tea is almost ready. After straining, let the tea cool for a few minutes before adding honey and a squeeze of lime juice to preserve their nutrients. Enjoy this tea every night, a few hours before bed, and experience its amazing benefits: improved digestion, reduced pain, better sleep, and with a balanced diet and active routine, it may even support weight loss. Sip, relax, and let the goodness work through your body. Here comes the grand finale: golden milk, the ancient Ayurvedic elixir. This warm, comforting beverage boasts a rich history spanning thousands of years. In Ayurveda, India's ancient system of medicine, golden milk has been cherished as a nourishing, healing tonic. And the best part, it's as delicious as it's powerful. Here we are using the same anti-inflammatory superstars from the previous recipe, but replacing water with your choice of milk, whether dairy or non-dairy. Plus we will skip the lime juice, letting the creamy richness shine. Now let's dive into the process. I have taken 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. Now adding crushed ginger and all the spices one by one. Now it's simmering gently for 10 minutes. I will check occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom. No shortcuts to perfection. And there you have it, the ultimate golden milk, a soothing, aromatic, and indulgent treat packed with anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting benefits. It's more than a drink. It's a moment of pure nourishment for your body and soul. Today, I have shared 5 amazing anti-inflammatory drink recipes, each with unique flavors and powerful health benefits. I have 2 personal favorites. What about you? Which recipe did you love the most? Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe to help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Together, let's build a healthier, happier community. Also, don't forget to join me for my live exercise sessions. Let's keep moving, stay inspired, and make wellness a priority. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for your support. Here is to a healthier you. This contains anthocyanin. আরেকবার না, এখন আমার আর ফেস দেখালে চলবে না। If you like this recipe, I highly recommend you to watch this recipe too.